Yes, how can I help you?
Please, sir, can you give me 100 naira? I'm stranded.
Hey,
I want to go to Oshodi.
I'm sorry, I don't have anything with me. Please, I'm sorry.
I don't have anything with me.
God will help you. I don't have anything. Please. Good evening. What's up? You got a grease now, far.
Don't you touch me?
See, forget all this drama, this like this. And I see you from junction, eh? I run a run, they come back on this. I like you. That's the only thing I need from you now. Maybe just let me say yes. I go there fine and I go happy. My body go do me siriri. Where there?
You be mumu.
I don't.
You think say they wise?
Don't want. Ma dey go. Dey go abi? And abi, we fine no. Make I dey go abi. I know wahala now. No problem.
Where they go? Say check clothes. One come toast me. You guys don't know wetin I wear, sha. Don't know how much I want. Just go Jerry.
Will you keep quiet?
I'm looking for better person. Me more to fast now. All those rich people when I dey side. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please, sir. I've been standing here for a long time. I'm planning to go to Oshodi, but I'm stranded.
What do you want us to do for you?
Sir, you can help me with anything you want, you have. I've been standing here for long.
Okay, so babe, do you have anything with you so we can help her? Okay, I think. Do you collect transfer so I can transfer
No,
first?
sir, I'm not with anything. I'm not with any
Oh,
money.
so what do I do now, babe? I think you can give her the change we have. Can you just manage this, please? It's not much.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah, it's okay.
God bless you, sir. Oh, finally. After many hours like this, I'm standing here. Thank God. Excuse me, sir. I know you somewhere.
My sister, well done.
You once helped me 5 years ago, right?
Me, Abi.
You and your girlfriend. I was begging for transport money. And you gave me
5 years. Now you be that girl I see where you talk say
my
you dey find
God,
transport.
it's such a long time.
Now you come. Jesus, God, you are faithful.
Oh my God.
Now so God dey bless people like this. Now me, how I want do now? My mother don't want picking self at the family.
Congrats.
Thank you very much.
Right, I'm on my way to my office. I have something for you.
Oh, thank you, sister. You don't even get office now. You be CEO. CEO. God.
I want you to have this back.
For me.
Anything you see there is for you.
For me.
I want you to know that it's not everyone that beg on the street that actually are beggars.
Jesus.
Use this to support yourself and
my family.
Your family.
God go bless you, my sister.
I should.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. After 5 years now, I have received my award. Somebody help somebody out there.
My brother, God can bless anybody. Make you no look down on anybody. As you see me so, no be by power, oh. No be by sense, oh. Nobody special pass. My sister, God can bless anybody. Make you no look down on anybody. As you see me so, no be by power, oh.